Today's fan feature will be of this Gulf Coast Atlantis. This one here is finished in oil rub bronze, paired with the optional Venetian leaf blades that are plastic. I believe this is finished in driftwood. So, I picked this up at Habacrap for not much. And I knew these were pretty good fans, but I didn't know how good, so curiosity got the best of me, and I took it for $7. So, the housing here kind of looks like a lanai. If you can kind of see, it's got that swoop print into it. However, there is like bamboo and wicker kind of stampings into the sideband. You can kind of see there. It is a 3-piece housing and standard Gulf Coast moon irons. The fan is powered with a 188 by 25 millimeter motor. This thing is big. So the Atlantis is the step up from a rain dance in Gulf Coast's lineup. The I'd say a Centurion is probably their top of their outdoor fans, because that has the ceramic housing and all that on it. Though it uses the same motor as this. This is the Tiara motor. Enough babbling. Let's get started here. This will be low. Low speed's kind of fast, but as for an outdoor fan, it'll be better off that way. It's already putting off a nice breeze. I'd call this more like a medium-low speed, which I think Gulf Coast kind of does a little too much on their fans, especially like the Riviera and that rain dance I had. But that's different fans there. Power drawing low here, 15.5 watts. Medium. Medium, we're already taking off for medium. This is more like a high speed on a good fan, actually. It's probably about it's got to be over 200. Maybe like 210 or so. Nice breeze. About 44, almost 45 watts here on medium. All right, let's kick it to high. Oh my. It just keeps going. It's faster and faster and faster. Jeez. That's like M48 speeds right there. Gee. Ugh. Turbo. Wow. Alright. So on absolute insano speed, we're about 100 watts. Jeez. Alright, that's enough. Alright, we're going to be here for a very, very, very long time. So, as you can see, this fan is extremely fast. This has to be, yeah, one of the fastest fans I have, if not the fastest, because the last one I had was the Future, not that Future, what was it, that Luna. That Luna has the same motor as these anyway, and that had 44-inch blades, so. So, as this fan slows down from going Mach 6, this is going to take forever, because these blades are pretty heavy, being about about 530 grams a piece, I'd say. They're all marked. Even though I like to weigh the blades, I gotta still do that on these. These fans are put together a little bit differently than other Gulf Coast ones, especially the mounting. Whereas the screw end of the down rod is in the ball, and that screws into it with a little, like a thin gauge screw at the top. There's no cotter pin. And the smooth end of the down rod is put into the top of the motor and has a plastic insert to stabilize it, which then that top or that lower canopy then screws on and compresses to balance the fan out. It's weird, but I guess it works. Fan's a phenomenal performer. If I didn't mention, this is a 52-inch blade set, though I'm pretty sure you can definitely put a 60-inch blade set on here and definitely be satisfied with that. Still going. And that looks about to be it. So, hope you all enjoyed that one. I sure did. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you on the next fan video. Later.